Mayong adlaw mga ka-explorers! For today's adventure, we're going to the newest tourist attraction here in Barangay Caronoche, Santa Catalina, the Caronoche River Cruising.
So, we have arrived at the docking area sa Dirita Manukan. Anyways guys, medyo early ra kaayo ta. So, magpalupad sa tag drone para makita niyo ang kanindot sa Sikapong River.
Sir, unsa man gid atong maingon diri sa Caronoche River Crossing?
I'm speechless.
Sa totoong hinulat, naabot ra gyud ang ato ang sakyan nga pump boat. Kadugay ba mag-ilis aning mga
Let's go river cruising.
So ara na guys, manakay na ta, medyo kuba na exciting. Dili pa nimo kaya ya. So for more information guys, if ever like plan ninyo mo at sa Maquilos Falls, ang fee kay 330 pesos per person. If kung ganahan ra mo mag-cruise within the area of Sikapong River, such as Mangrove Sanctuary and many more, ang fee kay 150 pesos per person. Dili mo mabalaw guys kay pretty kalapad ang Sikapong River. And you know guys, sa sige na kog agi diri sa Sikapong Bridge, I'm always been curious kung sing naa sa unahan aning Sikapong River. So muna akong nakita kog mga tao mga nangisda. Mura to? So diri natin makita ng mga water buffaloes. Medyo curious kayo sila guys na makakisa sa ato ang labay. And naputay doggy diri nga cute pug kayo nga. Iya gumigilan na guys, imorganan gud siya mo kuyog na mo ba. No. Og sa diring dapita, natay na spot nga puno ang natumba. So kani guys, kani nga time curious me kung asa may ani mo agi. Muna ito diri din sa kining puno gitumbahan sa punuan.
Mabaw na siya guys. It's so mabaw, so it's time to now.
So for almost 1 hour travel, we have arrived at Macahilos Falls.
Nestled in the serene embrace of Barangay Kaigangan, Santa Catalina, lies a breathtaking natural wonder, Macahilos Waterfalls. This hidden gem, a cascade of pristine waters, invites you to immerse yourself in its tranquility. Macahilos Waterfalls, a majestic masterpiece carved by nature itself. Macahilos Falls is more than just a scenic beauty. It's an invitation to reconnect with nature. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or simply a moment of peace, this hidden paradise offers it all. So come and discover the majestic of Macahilos Falls, a hidden gem waiting to be explored.
It's safe. It's beautiful. It's clean. It's Santa Catalina.
The echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on. My head it seems